तर आता आपण आलो आहोत हॉटेल मराठी झटकामध्ये.
For me, the star of the misal is this cut.
It's delicious. The
It's
cut is
delicious. It's adding a lot of flavor to it. इसमें mashed potato है, उसमें उसल है, इसमें मिसल है, इसमें तरी है जो spicy नहीं है, but that's fine.
for some reason this misal feels a lot more sumptuous and wholesome.
It does, no?
ये मिसल इतनी तीखी है कि हमारे लाइट्स आउट हो गए. We are out on our spicy misal trail after Pune, after Thane, now up in the hills of Lonavala.
Yes. और मिसल खाते खाते हम रेंज एंजॉय करेंगे या रेंज में हम मिसल एंजॉय करेंगे. One and the same.
दोनों ही बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं.
Yes. Let's go. तो स्टॉप 1 is बुआची मिसल. कुणाल ने ये जगह ऑलरेडी कवर कर चुके हैं अराउंड आई थिंक 2 years ago. But we haven't done it. It's our take on buachi misal. And it's right there.
But when you went with Kunal, did you eat it?
I didn't go for that shoot.
Oh, so now
all the more reason.
yes, all the more reason that we should both try it
Yes.
and see if we like it as much.
I think we will.
अब हम हैं बुआची मिसल पे, where we are having two types of misal, butter misal and regular misal.
Regular normal misal. और एक सेकंड नहीं, मुझे बोला गया कि बटर को मिक्स करना है, बट ये बटर मिक्स हो नहीं रहा है.
यहाँ पे मौसम थोड़ा like it's a little cooler, so the butter is not melting.
And of course, we've got
Tari, sample, cut, which we will generously pour after this limbu squeeze. Just the misal first. Not too spicy, but perfectly tikha, and the raw onion is giving it a little bit of a zing.
and the raw tomato is
Taking the zing away.
It's spoiling the zing. It's taking the zing away.
For Mohit, not for me. I do like the tomato.
Again, इसमें भी पाव की जरूरत तो है नहीं, लेकिन क्योंकि यहाँ पे है, we should try with the पाव.
So यहाँ पर spice levels मुझे लगता है थोड़े adjusted है to the Puneri palate. Pav is great.
Very good पाव. Nice, no? Or maybe you know what? We could use that as a
As a dip.
jus.
Ooh. Okay, then all yours.
The jus.
I really like this misal for the generous amount of matki in it. And this cut is very, very hot. And not super spicy. Just perfectly hot.
It is actually perfectly spiced.
मोहित, इस मिसल में वो है जो तुझे अच्छा लगता है. The mashed potato.
Yeah, I got some.
For some reason, this misal feels a lot more sumptuous and
It
wholesome.
does, no?
And not just overly loaded with farsan and
Yeah,
chura. It
yes.
feels like a nice filling meal.
But
Satisfying.
for me, the star of the misal is this cut.
It's delicious. The
It's
cut is
delicious. It's adding a lot of flavor to it. और इसकी वजह से इसका फ्लेवर जो है वो प्रॉपर्ली एनहांस हो रहा है.
And my favorite way of eating pav is just cut pav. Cut soaked pav.
अच्छे से बैलेंस कर रहा है. द कट इज टू गुड. बहुत सही है.
So Buachi is an old place. Old as in reasonably old. 40 years old. And I think like most local places, it started off as a small place and now has expanded in a really popular eatery. And I think you can also stay
Homestay. Yeah.
and a homestay. So let's see how the buttery misal is tasting different than the regular misal. Maybe it takes the spice away a little bit, does it?
A little, but वो खा के देखते हैं.
It makes it less tikha.
And adds a little body to it.
Yeah.
I prefer this misal.
This one is more flavorful because of the butter
But
flavor.
वो salty हो रहा है
uh,
थोड़ा ज़्यादा. But I like this. Oh, this is superb. This is too good. अब क्या करें?
अब थोड़ी देर इसी को सेवर करते हैं और फिर एक और मिसल खाते हैं.
Yes.
तर आता आपण आलो आहोत हॉटेल मराठी झटकामध्ये. म्हणजे
रांची का अंदर का महाराष्ट्रीयन बाहर आ रहा है.
मेरे अंदर का बाजीराव बाहर आ गया.
Yes. मस्तानी.
नहीं, कीमा देख के बाजीराव भी बाहर आ सकता है,
Okay.
मस्तानी नहीं.
Okay.
सो दिस इज मराठी झटका और यहाँ की मिसल स्पेशल है बिकॉज इट इज चिकन मिसल.
Look, I love.
So they give us a vati with keema and there is surprise under the keema it seems. There is a chicken rasa which is the tari replacement. This thecha, this kanda.
Oh, there's thecha also.
Yes, there is thecha.
Didn't see.
And a bucket of rasa.
More chicken rasa.
And we've been advised not to upturn this vati completely because it's to be taken slow.
That is why it's to be taken slow. क्योंकि अंदर मिसल है. चिकन कीमा के नीचे फरसान है. Sorry, फरसान है. Okay, I will first just have the chicken. Just the chicken.
I'm having it all together.
Spicy?
The cut has a layer of spicy oil. It is a little spicy. How's the nusta keema?
No, it's not spicy. Nusta keema is nice. Again, यहाँ पे मुझे पाव की जरूरत लग नहीं रही with the misal.
Maybe I'll eat keema pav separately, but in the misal, actually it's quite delicious without.
बाजीराव.
बाजीराव की मस्तानी हो गई है अभी. Okay, we forgot to put pyaz,
Oh yeah.
without which a misal is incomplete in my opinion.
Or
a
chicken,
Marathi.
chicken rasa is incomplete.
Yes. कांदा नींबू एड स्पाइस टू लाइफ. तो ये मिसल इतनी तीखी है कि हमारे लाइट्स आउट हो गए. इतनी भी तीखी नहीं है. बट वी आर इन लोनावला. बाहर बारिश हो रही है. सो एक्सपेक्ट द वेदर टू प्ले हाइड एंड सीक एंड द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
That's fine.
But like we were saying, kanda limbu add spice to life, and the thecha, which I don't think is required and in this meal. But
No, but
because
since it's
Marathi
here
zupka.
and we love it.
Such a simple preparation, the thecha, garlic, chili, salt.
Honestly, मेरा ऐसा ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं था चिकन मिसल से, बट ये बहुत ही अच्छा है.
मैंने भी imagine किया था it would be your regular misal and with like an addition of a little
No,
bit
in
of
fact, I
boneless
thought-
chicken in it.
I
That's
thought
what I
it
thought it
will
will be.
चिकन करी विद द
Oh.
वो पतला जो करी होता है ना, चिकन करी वैसा होगा.
But I was not expecting like a whole vati of
Yeah.
really well done keema with.
मिसल, फरसान.
And now I'm going to go back to my Bombay girl ways and eat keema pav.
Oh, I love this. I just love this.
So if you're in Lonavala, make sure you take this detour to eat this version of the misal if you're done and dusted with all the regular Lonavala food.
Yes, and regular misals.
Yes.
Also, the chicken keema is adding more consistency to the overall misal, the gravy, The cut.
So it's basically a replacement of protein. The sprouts have been replaced with keema.
Chicken.
But the flavor is completely changed because of that. So ये जो ऊपर कीमा का layer है, उसके नीचे जो फरसान है, the farsan has actually stayed quite crisp.
It has, yes.
And the chicken is retained its taste. They're not mixing, but they're adding great texture to each other. Like, you know, like.
और ये जो स्पाइस लेवल्स है ना, वो आपको धीरे 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 हिट होता है.
True.
अब ये है तो खाते हैं.
I got kishmish.
वो जो भाई ना.
And this rava laddu जो घर से बन के आया है इनके, and they've very sweetly served it to us.
एक बाइट ये, नहीं 2-3 बाइट ये, फिर एक बाइट लड्डू. Then you come back to this, then this. So Prachi, once you enter Lonavala, and you just go straight, you don't take a right to go to the actual Lonavala गाँव. इतने सारे मगनलाल चिक्की के shops है ना, that every time you see one shop, you take a shot. By the end of the road, you'll be drunk. So there are 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so there are 5 over here. तो ये लाइन में कम से कम I think एक पूरी बॉटल खत्म हो जाएगी शॉट्स पे.
So true.
Yes.
Actually, you know you're in Lonavala when you can see these Magan
Yes.
boards.
On that note, let's go and eat. साठे मिसल में हैं अभी एंड हमने 2 मिसल ऑर्डर किया है. एक रेगुलर मिसल और एक बड़ा मिसल. So I will take the बड़ा मिसल.
Okay. वड्डा कौन है?
तू है.
Only the 90s people will know what that was.
This has also got the sample cut tari, whatever it's called.
And going for the limbu as always. Wow, it's really pouring.
But where is the vada? Yeah,
Also, it's a patata vada.
batata vada. Yeah.
Okay, the rain gods are really ferocious right now.
तानसेन कहीं तो खा रहा है.
Going for the regular misal, which looks really spicy, color se to. Not very spicy.
And I'm going to go for the It's not spicy at all.
So I'm curious to know if the sample on the side is spicy.
So am I.
And it is not. It's more like tangy.
Oh, this is ketchup.
It's not ketchup. It's more like imli ka pani.
I meant it's not spicy, it's ketchup.
Okay.
Prachi, you got a ketchup.
I got a ketchup.
This is satisfying my craving of having mashed potato in a misal. The one that is popularly served in Kolhapur. तो इसमें मैश पोटैटो है, उसमें उसल है, इसमें मिसल है, इसमें तरी है जो स्पाइसी नहीं है, but that's fine. Actually, I don't even need the pav because there's just vada.
And I want to soak my pav in this curry. So,
Arey, forget all that. I have this.
अरे wait ना. अरे. Or because the vada is also spicy, it's adding spice levels for sure. Yeah. I mean, this is spicier than this because there's no vada in it.
Okay.
And this is my tari soaked pav. Melted away. I'm actually enjoying the fact that it is not super spicy. because then I can actually eat more of it or take big mouthfuls of it. Also, the matki usad in this is quite delicious.
हाँ
Matki in small towns somehow has a taste of its own.
यम या बट ये अच्छा मिसल है, काफ़ी बैलेंस्ड है, नॉट वेरी स्पाइसी, नॉट वेरी ब्लैंड, नॉट वेरी खट्टा.
It's also great in this weather
Yep.
with the cool breeze and the pouring rain and piping hot misal.
तो लोनावला से बॉम्बे की तरफ जाते जाते आई थिंक दिस इज साठे मिसल इज अ गुड प्लेस टू हॉल्ट एट. या तो आते वक्त भी ले सकते हो. आई थिंक या it's a great way to end the episode, right?
It's a superb way to end the episode. It's a nice spicy taste on your tongue to take home.
तो अभी टाइम है रेटिंग का. फर्स्ट प्लेस वाज बुआची मिसल.
Buwachi misal was a good 8 on 10.
No, 9 on 10. 1 mark because the tomato, otherwise 9 on 10. Then moving on to Marathi Jhatka, the chicken keema misal.
Oh, chicken keema misal, for its novelty, for its taste, everything 10 on 10.
हाँ, absolutely 10 on 10. Innovation plus great execution, 10 on 10. And Sathe.
Satay was a very good misal, just rightly spiced, so also 8 on 10 for me.
8 on 10 for me as well. 1 extra mark for the potato. On that note, आप हमें बताइए कि लोनावला में और कौन से मिसल्स हैं जो हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं. और टिल देन आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि
खाने में क्या है.
पूरा मिक्स नहीं किया, सिर्फ तरी उठाया, इसलिए आपको ज़्यादा
झटका लगाना.
पर
मतलब ठीक
झटका
है,
तो
मजा
चाहिए
आया
ना.
हमको.
But it's good, yeah.
It's very good,
It's
yeah.
fun.
Without being stupid.
Yeah. So this is. Wait, where are you? Sorry. Okay,
Hindi,
I was
Hindi.
literally only talking to Harsh at this moment.
हिंदी.
देखो यार अब.
One second.
And regular food. Bless you.
Bless me.
Bless you. Bless you. Okay, what? You got to keep sneezing. I have to keep saying bless you.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो नाक में गया अभी. Go.
What was I supposed to say? So this is a great innovation and a great take, a non-vegetarian take on the misal. So if you're in Lonavala and
Sorry.
you're